Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have part 2 of our jewelry jar unbagging and also the announcement to our giveaway winner. First I have this 32 to 35 inch necklace with these swirly, marbly, lucite and orange and yellow chunks, and then there are some stone pieces up top, a gold tone chain, and it has this capital N jewelry hang tag and a lobster claw clasp. I'm uncertain if that's modern Napier or who that is. If you know, let me know down in the comments and I'd really appreciate it. This one's going to be $8. And next I have another one by the same maker with the same design. We have like bright and neutral tones mixed together. Some sort of plastic, either acrylic or lucite. It's lightweight, so I'm leaning more towards acrylic. Same maker's mark, lobster claw clasp. It is 16.5 to 19.5 inches, and it'll be $6. Next, I have a glass cat eye and rhinestone memory wire bracelet, and it will be $5. Next, I have a triple strand faux turquoise, and it has a 1-inch extender on it there, and it's triple strand. It is 16 to 17 inches on the shortest strand, and it'll be $6. And next, I have a leather bracelet, or at least I think it's leather. It probably could use a conditioning. It is marked Panyo, or I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing that right, and I'm not sure what it says up underneath there. And you can move the little rivet here to adjust to fit your wrist size. And that one's really fun. And so that one was $7. And next I have probably one of the coolest Chico's pieces I have ever seen. I like this one. There's your hang tag. It has a long extender, and it has glass, stone, these little cloisonne, Asian style, and rock crystal quartz. Very pretty. It is 16 to 20 inches, and that one will be $20. Beautiful. And next I have some faceted, AB coated pink. They're like a light ballet pink glass necklace, silver tone extender with a lobster claw clasp, and it is 16.5 to 18.5 inches, and this one will be $7. Pretty, I love the color. And next I have a pair of earrings. These are, keep losing my space on my little cheat sheet over here. 1 3/4 inches long, and I believe that's shell because it has flash in it, and these little swirls. And they are $5. Next, I have this pendant. It's on a cord. I personally would take it off the cord, but it is hand painted agate slice, and it is made in Brazil. Very pretty. And it is 2.5 by 1.5 inches, and that one will be $8. And next I have a bracelet. It has these agate beads and mother of pearl beads, silver tone. At least I'm sure it's all silver tone. I didn't test it. It doesn't look sterling to me. And it has fish hook. No, I don't. The one they use for the pearls clasp. It is 7 3/4 inches, and it will be $7. And then I have a Premier Designs piece. Again, I'm not big on cords. Let me see. There is your maker mark and extender. I don't know if those fuzzies will come off. I don't really try to clean it up. But this is an enhancer. And it's magnetic, so you can take it off and put it on strands or a different chain. And it is 2 3/4 by 2.5. And on the cord, it is 18 to 21 inches long, and it'll be $6. The enhancer's pretty though, I like that. And then I have this Tibetan piece, or some sort of white metal piece. It's on this cord, and again, you could cut these off and use them for making something else. These are cold, not exactly sure what they are. You have these. That's a pretty agate there. Another stone, some sort of white metal. And these are lucite. And I believe that is coral. And then, what are those? Frogs? I think they're frogs. Ew, I don't like frogs. There's the back of your pendant. And yeah, you could use that one as just a pendant too, but the stone beads are nice also. Or you can wear it as it is, whatever floats your boat. It has a 15-inch drop wearable length because there's no clasp. I can't take it apart. The pendant is 3 inches long, and that one will be $12. And what is up next? Oh, this is broken, but I wanted to show it anyways. It is a key brooch because one of you crafty viewers may be able to replace or fix or repurpose this. It doesn't have a locking mechanism on it, but it is a Coral Pegasus key. And I just feel like somebody should repurpose it or repair it and love it. I like it a lot. It is 2 inches by 3/4 of an inch, and we'll do that one for $5 since it's broken. And next, I'm not sure what this is. If it's a lariat or a belt. I'm leaning towards a belt, but there's no clasp. But again, the beads on this are nice, and you could repurpose them if you didn't want to wear it like this. Has some sort of dyed stone, I assume halite maybe, peridot, some glass seed beads, pearl, and tiger eye. Very pretty. Its length is 52 inches long, and it'll be $7. Oops. And next, I have this gold tone chain, lobster claw clasp, long gold tone chain, and I got it in a tangle. Sorry if that noise of the paper is bothering you. I couldn't get my camera to focus, so I was trying everything, and finally it decided to start working. Beautiful faceted glass pendant. It's like a champagne color. And this one is on a 31-inch chain, and the pendant portion is 3 inches long, and it'll be $6. Alright, I saved the best for last, as we tend to do sometimes, huh? This is sterling silver cross with an articulated bell, and it's quite large, so you could put it on a torque or whatever you would like. It's quite thick also. I've been cleaning jewelry today, so I apologize for my hands. It is marked 925 there and tested. I really like it on this side, but also it's double-sided. You could wear it on this side. When I was looking at it, this appeared to be cracked, but when you look at it with a loop, it looks natural to the stone, but I'm no expert. Or maybe it's in the finish on the top. I don't know. I just want full disclosure. Love the hearts on the bell. That's so cute. It is 1¼ inches long, and it'll be $18. Very pretty. And then next, I have an amazing glass necklace. It's red, and it has, I'll show you all the beads. There's some pressed, molded ones there. No, one of these were cadmium, and I'm not sure which one. But one of them were fluorescent underneath the light. Very long. Very, very, very long. It has a larger spring ring closure. They are knotted in between. And it is so pretty. I love glass. It's almost like red in a bright reddish orange color. But I'm leaning more towards red because some of the beads are red, and I don't know. Y'all can see it. It looks like it's glowing, doesn't it, on that paper? It is 58 inches long, and it'll be $58. Show you. Oh, sorry, I bonked you. Show you up close one more time. Very pretty. And next, I have a turquoise pendant on a sterling silver chain. The little wire did test silver. It's not marked, of course. And it's just on this delicate little chain with a spring ring closure. And it is 925 and tested. It is on an 18-inch chain, and the pendant is 1½ inches long, and it'll be $18. Very pretty. And I'm going to set this over here so that chain doesn't tangle back up and everything. Somewhere I missed one. Found it on the list. I missed this one. This is gold tone. Vintage. This looks 80s to me. I'm not for certain. Enamel, like necklace that sits against your collar. It's 20 inches approximately long, and it's in excellent condition. And let me show you up close. These colors are great for fall. In really good condition. I didn't hunt too much, but I didn't see any maker's marks on this one. Very, very good condition though. And it is, did I say? I don't remember if I said it. It's $8. I couldn't remember if I said the price. Alright, and last for this jewelry sale video, I have, this is absolutely adorable. It is sterling silver and lapis. And whoever created it added these fun little charms. I think this would be so cute for a preteen or someone who just loves to shop. You know, I don't remember if the toggle was marked, but I did test it up. And there's your lapis, or it might be sodalite. No, I think it's lapis. There is gold flecks in there. I don't know if y'all can see. Anyways, these charms, there's a little shopping bag with a bow on it. It's pretty thick. And it says heart to shop. And it is marked something there. I never could make out what that says. Y'all might be able to. I never could. but it does test sterling. This one is SunWest, little Bank USA credit card. How cute is that? Has a pretty good thickness on it. There is your little pinwheel looking SunWest maker mark, if it'll focus, and your 925. And then we have a piece of pepperoni pizza, and it is, I believe, this S with a line through it that looks like a dollar symbol to me, but I believe that's for Shube Company. And it has a copyright mark in 925. And it's so cute. And then we have a little cell phone. It's marked 925 there on the back. And let me show you the details on the front. If it'll focus. So, so cute. And this one is 8 inches long, but remember you have to have room to get the toggle in. And it will be $48. I thought about taking it apart and parting it out, but I figured I better try to sell it as it is first. All right, and lastly, we have our bowl of names here. Peyton, would you like to come draw a winner? Peyton's coming to draw the winner. Alrighty. We're going to swish them around, swish them around, swish them around, swish them around. You got it?
Yep.
He's got one. Can you fit your hand under there while you're opening it so everybody can see who it is? Who did he get?
It's hard to open.
It's stuck together as a Post-it, so that way we couldn't cheat and see who's in there. Pull. Oh, Deb! Yay, Deb! Congratulations! I will be sending you some jewelry surprises, and congratulations! And thank y'all for everybody who's been leaving a like and a comment. I always try to do that just to show my support if I don't have the money to shop. And I really appreciate when people take the time to do that for me. And this is just a way for me to say thank you. And yay, I'm excited for Deb. And I'm approaching 300 subscribers, and I think we'll do another giveaway for that. And if you're interested in anything you've seen here, email will be down below. Shipping will be $6 within the United States, and actual shipping charges outside of the country. And what else did I forget? I always forget something. I think that's it. I'm not.
But before you all guys hit off, I want you to have a great day.
Aw, and don't forget to like and comment down below and subscribe and hit that bell if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.